some of people as we're gonna be taking on this 5K walk. Now this is how we're gonna kick it off. Come out, princess. Active. River there. Away at it. So we can jump on the pool later on. Pool long. Now what I do for you, take time. Alright. A lot of people come out here and run and go and like say they've been the whole for rehearsal and I walk, you know. Yeah. You better make sure you do the you better make sure you do the right thing. Lord, watch out. Exercise. That's tired. Whoa! I'm tired. You going on fine? Yeah. So we say 5K you go. Oh, you mean? You sure? Of course. You seriously not see a finishing line? You're happy just like how you're happy now? But you don't answer. Alright? Yeah. I don't know if you buy it because I get the sucker free. Alright. This walk is really interesting.
Made it!
You have made it to 2K?
I've made it!
Alright, give me 2K dance.
Let's see.
Give me 2K dance. Alright. Jaja, I 2K water. I 2K water. See she a cheer around the Jaja. Hey. Oh, you mean 2K? No, but yeah, I run fast. Yes, that is it. Top lodge.
Walk on.
Me there, man. How was the 4K walk, my brother?
These are the best 5K in Jamaica.
5K walk, yes.
And you know, this is the team that put it on. It's the best
great job, my brothers.
You have a great
brother and sister.
You know, so you have a great venue.
Yes.
You can swim in the river after.
Yes.
Sponsors get good value because all the guests, over 4,000 guests, get to see and interact with the product.
Yes.
Welcome to the 10th Annual Tru-Juice 5K Walk, right here in the heart of Bog Walk, St. Catherine.
My traveling family, welcome to another vlog. And today we're doing a 5K walk. And if you can look, you can see the vibe behind the Blessed Travelers. And we're gonna take it on that way. And we are in Linstead, St. Catherine, 2025 5K walk. Tru-Juice. Stay tuned as we present this walk to you. The beauty, you see beauty in the people. See her there, she full of smile. Yeah, you think I say go. Wait to come out when tiredness take, you know. We're taking on the road today. With me is Elista. He's gonna take on the road with people. We're gonna see. We're gonna match him today and see if the young boy can match the old boy. Elista, you're a young boy. I'm a old man. And I see somebody I walk beside you and I laugh after you would do me I say. I'm gonna take him on today. You think we're ready for him?
You have more experience.
No experience, it's just a normal walk. See there, some of the people. I saw you think of it, I saw we kick it off, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, I saw we kick it off, man. So that's the parking lot, my people, see? Parking is awesome. So my people, as we're gonna be taking on this 5K walk. Now this is how we're gonna kick it off. Come out, princess. I mean, it's a whole mode we have to see today. So that's why I think kick off on Jay. So just a look around, see me know me right. If we come from that way, yeah, now me get it clear. So that way is coming from Linseed side. I will come this side. And somebody are warm up over this one. And I say, we're ready for this. So you say, my princess, you're ready for this?
You're ready a long time.
Oh, you mean? So that's a travel through my people and show you exactly what the place are going to look like. So I know so when you walk start, this way madness are going to start. And I know so when I go stay through and watch where I go on. Yeah man, we're vlogging too. Yeah man. Father and son, I know you missed the one, you know. Jamaica walk by away there. Yeah man. So a whole heap of activities are going on. So we just walk through and we don't show exactly what we're going to expect. But we have a way are going. But we have a river down here. Son, that's where place are going. Yeah. So yesterday, I'm just assuming that this is where you're going to begin and this is where you're going to be ending. Alright, so we just walk through and to give you guys a first hand look as to what going on this place here. Alright, then you look and say we are. Princess, Jaja, Princess turn over. I'm gonna catch it. I'm sure it's a self-transfer. Alright. Go on in. Active. River there. Away I say. We can jump all in a pool later on. Pool on the body. As I stay. Alright. And we have a whole heap of boots and a whole heap of tent all over the place. Oh, I said it go on. Alright, so we are walk through. And we are look at that. Yeah, we are look at that. Yeah. Just one look. Someone think that this is the warm-up, see? This is the warm-up area.
When the day of the ladder seemed impossible to fit. When someone else is
So my people, this is how the 4K walk I go take on straight. Yeah. Music ready. Same side how the guitar. And I go manage the frustration. So we have a lot of mall here. And music is bouncing everywhere with her. But we are going to fight our way through that. Stay tuned and watch how we will check on the 4K, yeah. Or a 5K. Nobody does you up. Take time. Alright. So we'll keep walking. And if me tell you that I was not recording a while ago, you tell me it's a lie. But I am now. It a record?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you just keep it there.
Let's try to get your ambulance, Annie.
Eh? Okay.
I was trying to get
A while ago, I said to a man, say, you know I go win, man. You know, hey, man, turn over. Man, tell you me.
trying to catch the ambulance, but they just went right in on me.
Yes.
Right in my eye.
Yes.
You see, the thing is, probably the person was walking fast or something,
Naomi,
or too fast.
I'm going to tell you this.
So,
You see like how you do that little walk from Bog Walk to Lindsay over there? You're in a good position. A whole lot of people just buy again gears and come start run this man. You hear me tell you? They know so what they for walking. Alright.
but why you would want to push yourself like that if you know you're not used to it?
And just a piece of common sense.
But you're not supposed to.
Alright.
Come on, tell us.
Alright. So we say you say no ambulance now come for you?
Me? I walk now walking.
Ambulance got runs over somebody. So me can cut you and go so.
Yeah, man.
Alright, brother. No, I wanna know. Alright, keep running.
Ever just walking or running?
No, I'm walking.
You're walking.
I'm being smart. No ambulance not come for me today. That's not me I try to tell them. No ambulance today.
Oh my God.
No ambulance not come. You know, so one ambulance got run a while ago. And somebody gone for. We sure say no sheet I go for. If I pass her. Alright. Let's go. Let's go, Naomi. We gotta do this. We have to do this walk like our life depends on it. Okay. Let me tell you, a lot of people come out here and run and go and like say they been the whole heap of rehearsal and I go up to walk, you know. Yeah. You better make sure make sure you do you better make sure you do the right thing. Lord, watch out. Exercise. That. Whoa! Anyway, do yourself a favor. Check out this and you go see how you run.
Oh, yeah.
4K walk. All right. Me or no today? Me get one job and I have to see who I go for long today. When you sit down there, you don't walk good. Now you me Jay? Ambulance, no ambulance can come for you today.
No, darling.
Alright, cool.
Not today.
Yes.
I'm trying.
Now you me?
Yeah.
Look all the way over there. Can you see?
That is beautiful.
It is beautiful. I hear that after you get up there. All right. Yes, that's. Yeah, you're going all the way up there. Oh, go with you. So,
May the good Lord go with me.
yeah, yes. No, you say it the right way. What's that? She not make it out.
You forgot them. Where have been the people that talk about then I make it boss?
Look how you say you put your hand on Kimbo. Look how you put my boss. Your boss make you put your hand on your Kimbo.
It's not my first. Oh my Lord.
So, she look like she boss. Your boss.
You're first.
How much more you can go, sister?
Okay.
She not talk to me now. What's up to me here today? Yeah, man, you mean that? So finally, guys, I've wrote something. I've finished 1K. 4 to go. Let's go.
On 5.
You going on fine?
Yeah.
So we say 5K you go. Oh, you mean? You sure?
Of course.
You sure you see a finishing line? Happy just like how you happy now? Alright, make yourself look a bit happy, yeah? And subscribe to the channel here for me, right? And you'll see show off on the people and see. Alright, so jelly there. We could get 2 jelly now.
Yeah, man.
Eh? We can't get 2 jelly. You know no cutlass? No cutlass not there.
Let's jump up and drink.
Brother, me feel so the brother want Swiss knife somewhere there, you know. You know no Swiss knife in your bag there? Jaja, you know Rambo. Rambo would have one. Hey! Yeah, the queen them come out on the 4K walk here. Jaja, we have 4 more to go. 3K left, you know. Who can manage? What did I answer? What did I answer? All right. We are going to finish and go see what going. Oh, they have a nice nursery here for coconut. Wow. Let me. Jaja, this is nice. Jaja. So this is a nice little settings here with juice set up. I wish I could get one of them coconuts so I can carry home. And when the beer, I give she jelly, I give she jelly, I give she jelly, I give you jelly. Yeah, I don't have to buy it because I get the sucker free. Alright. So I don't laugh at myself. When I say the man you must idiot. Alright, if you want to find out if I'm idiot, check out the channel. Yeah. I want to see how you laugh at me and talk about jelly. And share with your family and your friends same time, huh? Alright. Come here, man. Take care of him. Rotted, my man. Go hide under shade. This place is very fruitful. I wonder who can harvest a sucker care home. Tru-Juice, so that's a blow. I want to come to work and you take up my sucker to make your home. No, you put it back. Can you go put it back where you take it from? This is nice. Wow. Thank you, Tru-Juice, for this walk. Yeah?
Sick people?
Yes. Do you know that in America you have to pay a lot of money for those?
Yeah.
Yes.
A lot of our plants that we call bush.
Yes, and we at Jamaica and we have to buy it down. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So for the persons who are watching overseas, this female is saying that what you're buying, we have it here free.
Free of cost, eh?
Alright. But nice. I wonder if we could have borrowed the place and camping there. So this will look cool.
Yeah, you feel it?
Yeah. 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 Nice. Nice forest. You know that someday they're gonna get equipment and harvest them and put them somewhere else?
Like
because they are palms, huh?
yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So most of the new places, like for instance.
To decor.
Yes. Only did that show off a while ago when I passed me. I bust on the bus, so I don't know face there. Alright. When I look out, when I hide on the face on the channel, yeah? Thank you. Only the hide, man. They hide their face. Alright, we're going on. This princess here look healthy and strong, like 4K walk. I go finish. She go walk through the finish line with her hand up in the air. Me I talk the truth? You not tell me I talk the truth. You not tell me I talk the truth. You tired? So you just finished the 1K walk. How you feel about that? You feeling good? You feeling good that you did the 1K?
Yeah,
Jaja.
I'm proud of myself.
You're proud of yourself?
Yeah.
So when you reach a 2K walk, are you gonna jump?
Yeah.
I'm gonna look out for you.
Okay.
So while you celebrate the Devil Best Travels. Here you go.
Okay.
Alright. So you can, so like come so hot and me a runner. You can give me like high breeze. So I can say like how we walk through all of this. No man, I talk about you for fun. You never found no man yet. So like how we go through all of the orange. If it's the one ripe one, I'm picky and I peel. You help me eat please? You know that help me eat it? Why? You're afraid of Tru-Juice. Alright, so suppose I miss a jelly. Yeah. I'm picky and I drink. You help me drink it? You ever drink it? Cheese and peas, me say you know easy. But anyway, congratulations on your 1K. Check out the channel, please. You okay? Yes. You know that I'm watching you. Yeah, and I'm not alone. There's thousands of people that is watching you. And I want to see how you look at the finishing line. You're doing well. Congratulations for 1K. It's 4 to go. Did you know that? Okay, let's go. We are Wolipa coconut. This place is just fruitful. So I am also thinking that when Tru-Juice decide to have this event, he want to show off him cultivation. So he must show off orange, he must show off coconut, whilst Tru-Juice a show off. Alright, we don't see. We just be waiting and see. So my people, we reach the first water stop. How much water am I available to? How much do I am available to? How much water can I get? Can you get 2? Yeah, thank you. And the ambulance is pulling up. How would you come for? How would you come for? Me sure no son on me.
No man, we just drive through.
Alright, if you see if anybody alright. Because you want to reach.
Yes, you want to reach it 2K.
But I know that. No, but me must win somebody to 2K. What?
I think I want to water.
No, man, me have to win it to 2K. You come? Alright. Some of people, there you go. I've done a 2K in this 2024, so we have 3 to go. Jaja. Naomi.
Yes, I've made it.
You have made it to 2K.
I've made it. I'm ready to 2K.
Alright, give me 2K dance.
Let's see.
Give me 2K dance. Alright. Jaja, I 2K water. I 2K water. See she a cheer around the Jaja. Hey. Oh, you mean 2K. That's all you. Ambulance I come for you, Naomi. I see you come for. Alright, so somebody pan ground here look for. Alright, me come.
He wants the ambulance to come for me.
It's not about
Me know.
Oh, I should lie down and then you will bring me?
Yeah.
And then after that, what happens?
Okay, to the station.
No, she got 5K. 5K she go do. So the job
Gentlemen, so you have to do the 5K.
5K. So thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
You're not gonna allow to get her this time.
No, sir.
When that she lay down, you go for her.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
And I need you to call when she lay down.
I'm gonna tell you one place where she lay down, yeah? I'm gonna tell you one place where she lay down.
Alright.
Alright. Ambulance. Come for you, man, have you left.
Oh my God.
The man say, I'm always telling you lay down.
I should lie down.
You can't pick you up if you're not lay down.
Oh God.
Alright. Congratulations on your 2K walk. You have done 2K. Check out the service. You can? Okay, you're tired. She's breathing hard. Wow, she just ran and catch me up. Alright. I'm having fun out here. Whoa. Jaja. Instead of them I could go through right this, them I could go that way. Again. Oh. Whoa. So let's cheat through there. Let's cheat through there. Who wants to cheat through there? No one wants to cheat? You're thinking about it? He's not gonna allow you to. Big up yourself, my G. My best travels I got you. See? Yeah, man, check out the thing. So you make sure somebody not go through the way there. So if me run through, so you run me down?
No, you walk in.
If you record me, I go through, so. Alright, me I go this way. Alright, my G. Fear is the game, they say. We no finish, oh. You're not finished, oh? Slippery spot. You finish, oh?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm going like an energizer bunny.
Sure, because no, but I run past.
No, I done the hill now.
You done the hill?
Yeah.
I done you done.
No, I'm done the hill.
Alright, that's where we go. We're having fun here, people. Yeah. Your boss. You see how far you're there? Winner on top lap. Alright, now Yummy J is running to this finish line. And the finish line, you're reaching on that, Yummy. We're running now.
It was fun.
Yeah.
That was fun.
It was?
Yeah, that was fun.
Alright.
That was fun coming down the hill just now.
Alright. I know we're going up the hill.
Oh Lord, no, me can't.
When you reach when this 5K walk, people is gonna be, we're going wet like a pig. Hold on there, see one lady run come down. Hold on there, man. Hold Yeah. Great. Jaja. And look for the sun. Father God, the sun follow me everywhere me go.
Mama, you're doing.
Oh, you mean? Let's see if we can catch her up. Yeah, me catch her up and she run down the hill and she can't run up. But me I go run up. And me I go tell her how them I go dirt bike. And me I go tell her say, you check out this channel and you see you run downhill.
Okay.
Alright. You be on YouTube. That's a hit. Come carry me up so. No me see why lady in the blue did that run so, because she knows that 3K there so, and me no know. Whoa. Jaja, congratulations on your 3K. That's why you don't run so. Yeah. No, me know why you don't run because you want to reach out before me.
Oh, me use my phone?
Jaja, watch out on 3K, man. Bossy.
Man.
They celebrate the 3K, no, man. That's how you celebrate it.
We can't take pictures. Ready.
3K.
Alright, come here. Will you not take a picture?
Jaja, 3K, celebrate something. Alright, let's go. Wow, nice.
You can stop this fast?
Yes, man. Snap them. Big picture, man. They want to specially tempt me. See it? I tempt them with the right one. You see that? Oh, they are navals. They're a special orange. That's why they're big, so. So we just reached this 4K. And, whoa, congratulations, 30834. 4K! One to go!
So, why the 4K with
We don't tongue long out.
yes.
I long out in tongue and I say, "Bah." What that mean?
So I'm supposed to
That don't look like celebrating. Is it celebrating?
This is the 4K and I've reached it. Oh my god.
Now you mean long out to tongue like him.
4K,
Yeah.
reach 4K.
That is
One more K to go.
One to go.
Yeah.
That is it.
One more K.
And we're going that way.
How we doing?
True shake.
Oh my god. You can't talk to me again, you know?
Oh, you mean?
Can't talk to me again, you know?
Yeah.
Can't talk to me again, you know?
Jamaica walk by, she done 4K.
Yeah.
And it's just one to go.
Yes.
Father and son,
Yeah.
you missed this.
4K.
Hold on there. What Jamaica yard style?
That's what I'm wondering. 4K.
So near and so far.
Can I say?
Yeah, okay. My people, this river run through the property of Tru-Juice. I'm not too sure where this one is coming from, but we have brown water. And this one runs through and go through the gorge. So this morning when I was coming from Spanish Town, the gorge was very dirty. So this was the one. I'm assuming that this river is coming from back Pine Hill side. We're up that side. So, cause the gorge should be very muddy. And my people, as we just walk through the 4K, so we have 1K to go, and with 1K to go, these people are strolling through and making sure that they walk to the finishing line. Set up whole heap of orange. Tru-Juice a show off in property this morning. I know that thing I do. Yeah, I show you, make we see how in place getting green and pretty. And he line up whole heap of water for we drink along the way. And now you me say, not too far away, 5K is in the distance there, and she's gonna celebrate. And the female up there.
SPA, please. Run it up. Take your time with every. I'm gonna share it up with the team. Thank you.
2025 Tru-Juice 5K walk.
Now we are at the ladies.
I've made it.
No, you don't make me that.
Me make it. I want to talk about. So you drop down yourself. No, drop down yourself.
See the finish line.
I'm still a match.
No, you have to go through the finish line.
You see, so we're walking through. Share it.
When you go through the finish line,
Hey, I'm a cycle.
I saw it.
All right. All right. That's on here. Take it on. 5K.
I made it.
For me,
I made it.
I did it. Now you Mr. She make it.
I made it.
Oh, yo.
I made it. I made it. Jamaica walk by, I made it. Father and son, I made it. Jamaica yard style, I made it.
That's a hit.
I made it.
I made it for it.
Give me a run across the screen, across the finish line. Give me a run, give me a run, give me a run.
No, walk, we're supposed to walk. We can't run.
No, that's for
Oh,
that.
you're cheating. You're supposed to. All right. We made it too.
I made it. I did the whole 5K. I made it. You can't talk to me again.
All right.
Made it. Yeah? Yeah?
I made it too. That is it, my people.
Yeah.
I've made it too. Hi. Hi. Big up yourself, big up yourself. All right, cool.
Can't talk to me again.
17 other females for the walk.
Yeah. Nice. I've made it too.
Icy Val Mackenzie.
That is it.
I know they call you Miss Icy.
Yeah.
But I ask.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Tru-Juice.
Icy Val, what I call you?
We made it too.
Yeah. When we don't accept birth paper, is one birth certificate ID. We don't need a proof. We don't have a proof of age. What is it? What is your name?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Max, I Miss Icy them call you. I Miss Sister Icy. And that we are call you. Yeah, no, yes, you have to continue. So Icy Val Mackenzie, but they call you Maxine. So Maxine away is big name. So Maxine come from? Your father give him sister name. Miss Icy, go and look like something, yeah? Stop stressing me out. First place, 70 and over females, Icy Val Mackenzie, aka Sister what? We love you, Sister Icy. Okay, so that's it for the females for the walk. We're gonna go, we're gonna do the female champion. First, second, and third for the walk overall. Walk, show me how you did walk on with
What is walking for? What is winning this for?
Yeah? Yeah? Okay.
And this is the second
Second
walk.
place, here.
Second place run. Congratulations. It was you said it together.
Paula.
All right, folks.
Where's
Congratulations.
Paula?
Big up, big up, big up.
Oh, wait.
Okay, so let's go through the male for the walk. Okay. 19 and under male for the walk. That's right. That's right. That's right. See there? Big smiles. Third place for the 19 and under males for the walk. Christiana Walters. Second place, David Amarov. First place, Gavin Weekly. 20 to 29 males. Joshua Girl. So the name it Rich stand up in that son of one morning first. Hello. And Sonny Roberts. You are what? What is your name, sir? Joshua? Eh? Christiana Walker. Third place, 19 on the male. That's who that is. Second place in that 19 and on the category, David Aberon. First place, Gabby Weekly. Now 20 to 29 males. Joshua Durham, third place. Second place is Sonny Roberts. First place, Christopher Bryce. Where's your bib, sir? Your shirt or your bib? You're what category? 20 to 29? Is that perfect, guys? Yeah. Okay, let's keep it moving. 30 to 39 males for the walk. Third place, Anil Beckfan. Anil, no, one person this year. Or is your name Anil? You never expect. Third place, Comedia.
Share the link with the group.
42 minutes, 12 seconds. Anil said, get over here, darling. Hey, pick up your... you're not alone that side. I mean, Anil makes you run now. Walk again. Okay. As I walk. Second place, 30 to 39 male Miguel Hamilton. And first place, Dalvern Davis. Alive. Dalvern up third. Where's Dalvern? Are you this? Dalvern here, Dalvern this? So you have to come up to like cool kid and see if people are showing for you and things like that. You can't wait to them. Right. More for you something now. Who's not to Dalvern?
His mother named Laverne, I don't follow them.
Father named David, mother named Laverne. Dalvern. Please. 40 to 49 males for the walk. Third place, Royal Nicholson. No, this is Royal Nicholas. Royal Nicholas. Second place, Damian Reed. First place, Marlando Mitchell. That is the 40 to 49 male category. Roll Nicholas, Damien Reed, Marlando Mitchell. Okay, next category. Oh, what's your name? Roll Nicholas. Third place, 43 minutes. I said it one. Walk it faster. Tasty. 50 to 59 male. The walk. Third place, Ian Keith Goldson. Ian Keith. That's you, sir? Oh, wow. Morning to you. No, the age. Will not upset me. Second place, Ian DaCosta. Second place, Ian DaCosta. First place, Robin Mr.
Yes, it's here.
Somebody shout tonight for us. Atkinson, 10 Atkinson, or 17.
I know about that. Where you from?
Over second place male. Sorry, you win too? What's your name?
Okay.
It's a true one. Simeon true
Don't
one.
surprise the name card. Don't surprise the name card.
Second place. The third place winner is right behind you. Okay, overall. Yes. Overall male winners for the walk. Do we have a
the CEO of
I'm a try this.
Hey! Is that slide ever come to this? Weird. Is that short? Look over here, look at So these youngsters are going through this concrete thing here, shooting out inside of the river. Let's see. Oh, that's where them start. Look at them. I don't want to see the other side. Alright. We go a little bit closer for you, my people, and to show you what some of people, how have you, what have you been, what is your experience so far on this 5K walk? Nice. So a lot of persons are having all different kind of fun here. So let me see how they shoot off this place here. From here. So right here is very slippery. It is very slippery right here? It's slippery? Okay, that's what I'm going to carry down. Alright. What I want to shoot down, let's see what I go. You sure you can't make it up? You sure you can't make it up? Hold on. Hold on. Let's go, let's go. Who in there? Somebody in there? Somebody in there? Yeah, go ahead. No! That's this is cute. You going now? You go. Oh, you coming up, mommy? You coming up? Now can't come no further. One little drop now, do you not, man? Well, I wish I could go in there. I wish I could go in there.
Why?
No, I mean, I gotta change the clothes.
I thought you were trying to go.
You going up? You going? You shooting
I'm
now?
scared of it. I don't want to do it.
No, man, you can't go right there, man. Everybody do it now. You scared? Let me see you guys do it.
I don't want that to you're the one that want to go walk it up. You want to go somebody to say I say.
I'm not going to
You know how about how that can spread for
me too hot, you know. Me too hot, you know. Shoot it down, man. Shoot it down, man. Sit down now. Sit down now. Sit down now, man. You're too cowardly. Sit down, man. Down there. I'm here. Come on.
Why you not play?
Show them how we done. Show them how we done. Show them how we done.
Me? No!
You can't manage them. Yeah, come on, Biggs. Oh, you mean Biggs? Show them how it's done, Biggs. Show them how it's done. What are you going to do? Alright. So we get one red and one green, some blue. Alright. Courtesy of Tru-Juice. Alright, check out the channel. Alright, cool.
What's your name? Come tell me your name. What's your name, Bambino? Let me be. What's your name?
Antoine.
Hi, Antoine. How old are you?
6 years old.
6 years old. Can you say something for me? Can you say, I love Tru-Juice? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I love Tru-Juice.
Here you go, darling. That's for you. I love Tru-Juice. Who else want a prize? 2, 3, come. This is from Imca. Big up to the Imca crew. And you also get something from Imca. Mile Chasers overall, big up on yourself. We have any more of the... No, I wish we had more of the call it the Jamaica Fire Brigade. Where are you guys? Big ups to you. Thank you so much, Mile Chasers. Hilltop Lifestyle, what's going on? Let me see. Who has been here? Mommy, how you doing? See you there sitting down. Hi. What's in here? Just come chill out today? You just come chill out today. That's fine. I need to find someone who... Somebody who is over 30, has 2 kids, one of the kids over 25, at least one. But that, everything I ask her, she pass. No.
12 years.
Oh, come here, I wonder where you get accent from, you know? But okay, 12 years, you can't have an accent, no problem. How old are you?
35, 36 this year.
Want to believe her? Don't you believe you? Which year you born? Talk fast, don't calculate. Which year you born?
89.
Okay, darling, thank you very much. Big up yourself, you make your mommy wait. So, oh, you feel you want a bad do, you know, father? You're a Gilbert baby. That's what you are, a Gilbert baby. Hold on. You look a nice foreign daughter, though. She said things to you. Hold on. No, this is what I wanted to give her. No, this is for you, darling. Right? So then, so she said she don't want her phone. Because it's like she telling. So I tell her, come back for her phone. And she said no. So she's not getting back her phone. Here the lady. When the lady I try to work herself into... She deserves something, right?
Do the maths.
Alright. You bet the MD beg for her. You understand? Put on my donut, Lauren.
Subscribe.
Lauren Mahfouz. After the one girl walked over and said donut for me and Bobby, like, give him a donut, Lauren, put down. Thank you very much. Here you go, my darling. A wonderful, wonderful gift.
Just checking out these
your daughter goes to St. Catherine.
I I'm checking out the content what you're doing. What you're doing here.
We're from Consumer Brands
And she
Limited.
had on
We had
Spartan
berry
Club.
smoothie,
And what else she do?
iced
And
coffee,
you have to. And
Marrakesh
she do chocolate, and she do everything. Take
hot
it and go.
coffee,
Okay,
and what else?
Hi, sweetie.
And matto.
What's your name?
Mato, what is Mato?
It's chocolate wafers.
Okay, so can I try it?
The man said me that price.
Everything is
Alright.
finished.
I'm a YouTuber, I go by the name of Let's Travel. Can this go for the team? Can this go for the team? So just pick up the company for me, please. And YouTube, Ever Let's Travel.
Big up to Consumer Brands Limited. The 5K and True-Juice, and it was great.
Right, 2025.
2025.
Right, so did you walk? You just distribute. You run.
Yeah,
How much did you come?
Daniel, I don't have nothing
You
to
not
give
come
you,
now.
friend. Daniel Johnson.
Alright, this is how you get the big up.
Daniel,
I'm pleased to have the team to subscribe to the page.
run
I appreciate that.
in Jamaica.
Alright? Just spread the love.
Anniversary for the orchard. With a Bog Walk, a meetings award. I'm on stage, I'm hosting. How are you?
We're walking through. We're
We're
checking
doing
out.
good. Okay, Daniel.
Checking out.
We're trying to give
Checking out
Daddy
the booths
something, but we don't
as to
have
what they
nothing
have.
for Daddy, alright?
National
Any more
Park.
sponsors over here and anything we can give for Daddy?
National
But it depends on the things that you tell us right now, Daniel. Daniel, how
Check out
old?
what?
Hold on. How old are you?
I'm a YouTuber, can you check out the public channel? I appreciate that. And you want to say hi?
Daniel, how old are you?
Say hi to your boyfriend. Say hi to
31.
your daughter.
And how long you been overseas
Say hi to your uncle. Say hi to the world.
Hi, world.
Alright.
You say 50? 15. Most.
National.
15 years. Okay, so we believe you.
How you
So
doing
you're
today?
over the age. Thank you very much,
How was the
Daniel. Have a wonderful
25
Sunday.
5K walk done for you?
Alright.
How was it
Lauren,
been?
my food. We'll
Yeah.
find something to give you.
She have a nice dimple. You
Please.
did see it?
One of our
She have a nice
sponsors,
dimple. You
our
did see it?
wonderful sponsors. National Tru-Juice.
She has a nice dimple. Did you see it? Look at it.
Aid, Vitamin,
You pay attention to your job.
Nature Valley. We
I'm
need
trying to make fun
something
of
for
it.
this gentleman right here.
So what you having today? What you having today? What you sampling today?
What gate?
We're sampling our granola.
Yeah.
So we have
What
three
gate?
different flavors, which
Yes.
is
The gate
cocoa,
prize. We're gonna check, so we're gonna get something for you, so don't stay in the sun, alright?
with yogurt.
Oh wow.
Okay,
Let
so
me try
on
one of them.
MD,
Just make a
he's
try
been
for me.
working hard. He did the warm-ups this morning. I know he ran. I don't have to ask. He didn't even walk. Peter McConnell is here with some closing remarks for us. Let's just pay some attention to him.
Well, thank you for hosting a wonderful job. And Mr. Music, thank you.
And can I show you? Where your pocket is?
So, the crowd has thinned out, so I'm going to keep this very quick. Thanks very much to the Linstead Hospital too for the
Go in the pocket where money. They're going to pocket where money there.
I need to.
Is it cool and nice down there? I bet.
Yes, it is cool down there. I'm going to check it out and see how cool it is. Big up yourself, G. Check out the page there. Big up yourself, Princess. Alright, that's what walk through. That's what walk through, you know. 5K has come to a walk. Everyone is going to be walking around and trickling around, and some people are taking pictures and having fun. That's how it can come down. Yeah, yes. Check out the Fabulous Travels. Hey, say hi to 4K walk, 5K walk.
5K walk.
Well done, well done. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Very cool. So walking through, we're gonna check out this river here and see how cool it is. Everywhere you go, I say you pee your dog. I say you love your dog. I do YouTube, my friend. Check out the channel. I mind some shade up on it, you know. I mean, that you that go out with yourself earlier on. Check out the page, please. Okay, thank you. Whoa! Jeez and peace, do not fall down. For me, that record a while ago, you know. You see down there? Hey, that is it. Greetings at Riverside. Alright. Alright, check out the Fabulous Travels, please. Alright. This area is cool. See, you can invite me in the water here, please. Can I step in this water without wetting my shoes? Yeah. You see your bad influence. Check out.
take a walk on
Take out Ever Blessed Travels. No.
me
give you one.
finish.
And you finish. I know in a water cooler yourself. That is it. Alright. Me did tell you so you're not gonna finish though. Me didn't tell you. Alright. You finish? Did your number call? No. Because you walk too slow. Because I was walking too slow. So me I see the same boat. Alright, my people. I'm just having fun with these people here after the 5K walk. Tru-Juice! I eat that. Alright. So you're checking out Ever Blessed Travel? Without the card? Can you check out Ever Blessed Travel without a card? I give her? Okay. And she share with you. She's that kind? Alright, so these people are having fun. Begrudge them because I can't go in there. Because I don't carry a change of shoes. I just carry my shoes to walk. And look at my feet out there already. Clean feet, look at them. Whoa. You slide through this hard, Jay? You were cool? Yeah. You notice the water get dirty. Some dirty water comes from somewhere. This morning it was really clean. Yeah. So walking through my people, we're going through. Yeah. This is just nice. The water get dirty. This morning it was really cool, but it was really clean. Really clean. So we're walking through. And my people will be going home. So that is it. Hi Princess, I do YouTube, please check me out. You want to say hi to the world?
No.
Alright, so, alright. She said, no. You don't want to say hi to the world. Hi, beautiful people. Which company is Water? Oh, Wisico. Are you real? I represent it. Check Ever Blessed Travels. And can you share with the team? I have to give her one card. Oh, you want to say hi to the world? You too? Who you want big up?
I was so big up at this time.
Big up the company.
At this moment.
You know, you can subscribe to subscribe to the channel Ever Blessed Travels on YouTube. And you see the whole event today. Alright, good. So we're walking through my people, we meet and greet 1 and 2 people. Yeah. We're going to talk about my people. Yeah, you did. I can see that you have a great time. That is it, my people. Yeah. So meet my people. I've done this 5K walk. And I'm loving it. Would I do it again? Yes. Jamaica walk by? Yeah. That is it. Cool. Top Lodge.
All gone.
Me there, man. How was the 4K walk, my brother?
These are the best 5K in Jamaica.
5K walk, yes.
And you know, this is the team that put it on. It's
Great job, my brothers.
You have a great
brother and sister.
You know, so you have a great venue.
Yes.
You can swim in the river after.
Yes.
Sponsors get good value because all the guests, over 4,000 guests, get to see and interact with the product.
Yes.
The vitamin run out, so I never got one, but next year
yeah, but run out on me too.
Yes, but I'll be there. I'll be front and center next year for mine. Big up, you know. Ever Blessed Travels. That is it, man.
Appreciate you.
Yeah,
that is it. This is how you go. I want to have a road. Jamaica yard style. Where are you? My brother, you should have been here. So you missed this walk. Yeah. We're walking through. Tru-Juice did it. Yes. And my people. We have a lot of companies here representing. And right here, my people, this video, my people, will come to an end. Ever Blessed Travels is saying, thank you. Thank you for staying with the Ever Blessed Travels as I walk this 5K walk. To God be the glory, great things He has done. Ever Blessed is saying, Sola. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my family. 5K walk, Bog Walk, St. Catherine. Female them come out.